Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Mahi coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, November 20th, 2015. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 31 degrees. We're expecting a high of 44 and a low of 31, with sun and snow. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Abby, Madison, Azar, Riley.
I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks will play the Calgary Flames tonight at 8 o'clock. The Bulls will play the Golden State Warriors tonight at 9:30. The Bears will play the Denver Broncos Sunday at noon. There are no clubs meeting today. Attention to all patrols. There will be a quick 5-minute meeting in room 208 at 11:45. Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer.
Thank you, Mahi. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Here, snow's on the way. Probably not till tonight, but we should have a little on the ground for tomorrow, so that's exciting. It's always cool to have the first snowfall of the year. We don't always get one before Thanksgiving, so that's even better. Remember, dress for the weather. Who knows what it's going to be like on Monday. Just a reminder, too, that you guys have done such a great job that we're going to have school Monday and Tuesday, then you get the rest of the week off. All right. Herbie high fives. First floor. Kindergarten, first, second, third. We've got Christopher in room 106. That doesn't help. Remember to write your names legibly. We've got Riley in 116. That's you? Awesome. He's in the studio. We've got Khalif in 205. 205, you're putting them in the wrong egg again? Whose classroom is that?
Kyle.
Huh. Nathan in 205. All right, we're going to need some intervention. Let's see. Arush in 106. Carius in 121. Srushti in 120. Let's see. Veronica in 118. Do a couple more. We've got, looks like Yana in 116. And Arcelia in room 116 as well. All right. We're going to jump up to the second floor egg, although I'm not quite sure that really matters. We've got Patricia in 201, Kreml in 201. These eggs are really full. We've got Allison in 202. Gracie in 204. Need to get the other side of the building. Looks like Smarin in 114. Oh, well, I see.
214.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, that says 114.
It's 214.
All right, 214. We've got Maggie in 213. Isha in 204. And the last one for today, who's it gonna be? Brian in room 203. Congratulations, everybody. Remember to come down to the main office after announcements. We've got the Herbie Heroes lunch today at lunchtime. Everybody have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer.
You're welcome, Mahi.
Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that the month of November celebrates naturally redheaded people? Less than 2% of the people in the world are redheads. A recessive gene is responsible for red hair. Many famous people are natural redheads. Lucille Ball, Prince Harry, Vincent van Gogh, King Henry VIII, and our very own Mr. Schmelzer. Being a redhead means you're super unique, and being different is definitely something to be proud of. And we are proud of you, Mr. Schmelzer.
Well, thank you.
That's all for today. This week's broadcast was brought to you by the Gummy Bears production team. Have a Fruit Frenzy Friday. It's Friday!